Hello friends, hope you all are fine. In this lecture we are going to make this to-do app theme using Bootstrap. For this we have to make first create folder. As I created folder in my app directory named Bootstrap project, whereas I create another folder named as project 1. I'm going to open my IDE. I like to use Visual Studio Code for coding. It's depend on you. I create index.html in project 1 folder and also create a folder called CSS in project 1 folder. In CSS folder I'm going to declare the style sheet. It is a custom style sheet name style.css. In HTML file I'm going to just write my HTML. This is HTML. For the testing purpose I'm just going to declare div. In div I am declaring h1 and write hello bootstrap. Now test it out. It is working. Yeah, it's working. Hello bootstrap. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use the attribute for h1 class and declare it as a class name called font color. Okay, in the style sheet we were going to declare font color as color red. Okay, I'm going to link this CSS style.css and it is working. So what we are going to do next, we have to download this. For the download procedure you have to write in Google Chrome bootstrap 3. For the first link, click on it, click on download bootstrap, then click on download bootstrap. As you click download on bootstrap, it will download a zip file in your local machine. Open folder, extract the zip file, and bootstrap 3.3.7 is extracted. There are 3 folders: CSS, font and JS. We have to work with CSS folder. There are many files. This is the minified file. Copy it and paste it on your desired folder. In CSS folder I pasted bootstrap.min.css file, where I am going to make a link to it. For that it works. CSS bootstrap. Yes. Now for the testing purpose we are going to declare hello bootstrap. The layout is applying. For further classes I use container and start. What is the happen? Container. Now the proper bootstrap layout styles are now applying to this website which we are going to design. Thank you very much for listen my video. I will share the next steps in the further videos. Thank you very much.